Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to re-import data from eBay into AdLister after you've made changes directly in eBay. From the AdLister dashboard, you need to go into the listings page. Once you are on the listings page, you need to highlight the listing or listings that you want to re-import. Once the listings are highlighted, you'll click on the Actions drop-down and select Reimport. A pop-up window will appear with a bunch of checkboxes. All the options are ticked by default, but you can just simply untick them with the Tick Untick All button. Once everything is unticked, you can just simply highlight the options you want to re-import. For example, you made changes to the item specifics in the back end of eBay. You will need to tick the item specifics options. Did you make changes to the titles? Then you will need to select the title option. Once you have highlighted the desired option, simply click on the blue Start button. Once this job is done, you can simply have a look at the changes and the newly imported data. I hope this video was useful in explaining how to re-import data from eBay into AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.